Your body is made of 12 body systems. The most significant of these is the cellular system, which consists of trillions of cells. Natural changes occurring in your cellular system over your lifetime are responsible for how you age. The cellular system range consists of 3 formulations based on the hallmarks of aging. Cel³ Renewal supports 3 functional areas of the cell that change with age: cellular turnover, nutrient sensing, and proteins. Every cell has a shelf life. At the end of their productive life, they should be detected by your system, removed, and recycled. Nutrient sensing is how your cells detect and react to nutrients in your body. Proteins are used for a variety of cellular functions. Without them, your cells cannot operate. Take Cel² 2, and 3 to support youthful function across all 9 areas of your cells.